Hey everyone. So I am somebody who is totally keto. I've been keto going on 2 years now. But I don't have a lot of variation when it comes to eggs. And I'm not somebody who can eat like 2 and 3 and 4 eggs at a time. It just kind of drives me crazy. So I have one of my Instagram friends. Her name is Keto Lifestyle 50 plus. And now she's one of my new YouTube friends. I love her page. First of all, her intro is dope. I just love it, and she needs to teach me how to do that because I am computer illiterate. I don't know what I'm doing. It's horrible. But anyway, she made this Parmesan crusted breakfast bake, and I saw it. It looked amazing, so I said I was gonna try to reattempt it. Now, a couple of the ingredients like mixed together, I was just kind of like, this is not gonna taste so great, but I kind of need to give it a shot. Even if it's nasty, I'm just gonna make a small batch and we'll deal with it. But when I tell you this came out amazing, it came out so good. So yeah, and she has a cheesecake. She has a couple of things that I'm gonna try, but this is the first one I started with. Now, one thing I will say before I get into the video is, first of all, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and hit the blue notification bell so you can get my notifications whenever I upload. Also, thumbs me up, comment, share. If you guys want to know what I did, just stick around because I'm about to do a step-by-step for you. Thanks. Hey everybody, so I have one of my new YouTube subscribers. She's one of my Instagram friends. She made something and it was called a breakfast scramble or bake or something like that. But anyway, she made it and it looked amazing. So that's what I'm about to recreate like right now. These are my ingredients. Got my ground beef. She had Parmesan crisps. I'm gonna add mushrooms, garlic. That'll be the base, and I've already started cooking my onions. So yeah, we are totally gonna get into this. So I combined my cream cheese with my parm crisps. I actually had a little bit left in here, so I just threw that in there as well. But I used a whole pack of original, and then like maybe a fourth of a pack of the sesame. So I'm gonna layer this in the bottom of my pan right here, and then stick that in the oven for about 10 minutes. Okay, I am browning my beef. I do not put my onions and peppers and all the rest of that stuff in here because I need to drain it. So right now that's just browning it. I just seasoned it. I kind of kept it simple since this is gonna be like an egg-based type thing. You know, I don't want a whole bunch of flavor. So it's just like salt, pepper, regular stuff. So that's browning. I got my onions and peppers over here, and then I sliced up some cheese. Oh yeah, and I also finished. This came out of the oven. This is in there for 15 minutes. So this is the base, and then I will put my my meat over half of it. Okay, so the way that mine varied, because of course I had to do a remix because I'm always remixing something. So the way that mine varied a little bit from hers is I didn't have the peppers in there, which it probably would have made it taste better. I added mushrooms. I added fresh garlic. I'm not sure she did. No, I think I added minced garlic. And then I also did cheddar cheese that I sliced up. So before I put anything in my pan, which I didn't say that, I went ahead and I sprayed my pan with a nonstick spray. And then I put my mixture down. And then after that, I made sure I sprayed the sides again because I don't like mess. So I had to make sure that everything comes off nicely so that cleanup takes no time. Okay, so everything is layered. And then not everyone in the house is a meat eater, so there's one side that's just gonna be like a vegetarian egg bake, and then the rest is like that. Okay, so I'm about to pour the eggs over. So my pan is way larger than I intended, y'all. So I winded up using 7 eggs, but I just layered the cheese and my onions and peppers before I did the eggs. I tried to get away with 4 eggs. It didn't work. The pan is too big, and I just did eggs, heavy whipping cream, salt, and pepper. I am so pleased with how this thing came out, and it smells amazing. Because it's so big and it's a little more dense than what it probably needs to be. As you can see, a little bit of the yolks kind of rose to the top, plus the whipping cream and stuff. But I left it in the oven. It definitely has a beautiful crust on the outside, as you can see with me folding it back. it just came out wonderful. I really wasn't worried about that. I wound up putting it in the oven on broil for about 3 minutes, just to kind of do the top a little bit more crunchy. And also, like, because I'm going to be eating this like over the course of a few days, it doesn't even matter, because as we put it in the microwave, it'll do what it needs to do. Just because I don't like I like my eggs scrambled hard. So if that's not a preference for you, then that's kind of perfect. So yeah, next time I'll smooth the meat down just a bit, but it was a little dense, so that's what that was. As you can see, the color is perfect. Nothing is left in the pan. It came out smoothly. It's amazing. And then I even showed you guys here, like, I cut a square and there's like nothing left in the pan. So cleanup is going to be really easy. This is just like a super simple meal, and I will definitely be making this one again. A few things I will say: definitely make sure you use a non-stick cooking spray, because I think that was boss. That's what did it. That's what made it to where it's just like nothing stuck to the pan. And also, like I said, I think next time I may do a few onions and a few peppers. I'm not a huge fan, but I'll put a few in there just for color's sake. But the flavor was wonderful, and I didn't want to do a lot of cheese because I wasn't really sure how it was going to taste. Like, I was just nervous about this whole thing altogether, but I'm like, I like everything individually, so I may as well just like try it together and see how it goes. But yeah, next time I will probably do more cheese. I did sharp cheddar cheese on the top. I will probably add like I could even got away with smoked Gouda, because I love smoked Gouda, or maybe mild cheddar and sharp cheddar. But yeah, that's that. I love it. It was super easy to make, and even my biggest critic, which is my non-meat eater in the house, she loved it as well. So it's a hit. Well, make sure you guys comment, subscribe, hit the notifications, hit the blue bell for the notifications, thumbs me up, and yeah, stay tuned for the next meal. And if you guys want to see me recreate anything, just put it down in the comments below. Let me know what you guys want to see me cook. All right, have a great one.